fun little song. It just kind of, I wanted to keep playing it and playing it and playing it because it makes me feel like dancing, I think. Hey, watch out for that little sneaky moment, leap from bar 5 into bar 6. If you're not careful, it can be, you know, kind of nasty, so just be careful. There's a couple of moments like that. But overall, it's a very pleasant tune that just kind of keeps going, and it needs to feel like it's dancing when you play it. So if it doesn't feel like dancing, well, then maybe you're doing something wrong, and maybe it's time to rethink your strategy a little bit. Well, if you guys enjoying this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.